Hi, it's Mike Meck, the Bungalow Chef, and we're working on crown pork roast today, and we're going to make our own apple leek stuffing. We're first going to take our pork roast. It's 2 pork loins that are tied together. We're going to use a little olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. And a ½ tablespoon of pepper. We're just going to season the pork on the outside. Rub that in real well. I have sauteing 2 strips of bacon that's been cut up. We want to get that about halfway done, just where it's starting to take color. And we're going to add a 1/4 of a cup of leek. Saute that very fast. Just letting it pick up some color. Beautiful. Okay, now I have 1 green apple that's been diced, and I do leave the skin on. Perfect. Okay, we're just going to lightly saute that apple. Okay, we're going to start on our stuffing. I have 3 cups of bread croutons. We're going to add 1 cup of milk. Three eggs. I've whisked them together already. We're going to add a tablespoon of salt, ½ tablespoon of ground black pepper. We're adding our bacon and leek mixture. Quickly mix that together. Okay, we're going to stuff the crown roast. We're going to top it with 2 strips of bacon cut in half. It's going to keep the stuffing nice and moist and add great flavor. What I like to do with this is put it in a preheated oven, 425 degrees, for about 10 minutes to give it nice color. Then we're going to pull it out, reduce the oven to 350 degrees, and cover the crown with foil for about an hour, hour and a half. Every pork roast is different depending on size in every oven. Best way is to use a probe at 135 to 140 degrees. I pull it out, let it rest, tin it with foil, and in 20 minutes ready to cut. And you cut one of these by cutting through the ribs. And it's a delicious traditional pork roast. It's Mike Meck, the Bungalow Chef, and we're here with our finished crown pork roast.